hello there, buddy. Hello.
Hi.
You look very handsome. 你很帅. You.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome, buddy. Yeah. So, how are you today?
I feel happy.
Very good. Me too. I feel happy too. Happy. Did you eat dinner?
Yes.
你吃了什么? What did you eat, buddy?
Rice
Ooh, wow. 还有什么? Rice and
and
chicken. Like that. Chicken.
我想干嘛？我们中午吃的嘛啊？我
Mm,
给我们
pork. Maybe pork.
meat and
Oh,
meat.
meat. And some meat. Very good. All right. Good job. And you know what? I am happy to have you today. I'll be your online English teacher, and my name is Ram. 老师 Ram. And these are my hobbies. I like drawing, and I like reading. 画画 and reading. I like. What about you, buddy? Now it's your turn. What's your name?
My name is Yue.
Yue. I like your name. Yue. Yeah.
Oh,
What is the meaning of your name? What's the meaning? Does it have a meaning? Something?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. So, what are your, how old are you?
15 years ago.
Okay. 15 years old. 你说 15 years old. Old. 你继续说 15 years old.
15 years old.
Very good, buddy. Great job. Okay. Now, what about this? What are your hobbies? What do you like? What do you?
I enjoy
Mhm.
ping pong.
Oh, ping pong. Okay. Playing ping pong. 还有什么?
And other sports.
Sports. Okay, like whoosh.
Oh,
Basketball? 你喜欢 basketball 吗?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I like basketball. Very good. Great job. How often do you play basketball? How often, buddy?
No.
Oh, you don't play. Okay. What do you often play?
I often
Play.
玩什么? I often play games.
Games 吗? Die like that. Mobile games, cell phone games. Yes? No.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. And are you ready? 你准备好了吗?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So, buddy, if you have any questions, please let me know. so I can help you. Okay. If you have anything that you didn't understand, just let teacher know about it. Okay.
Uh,
All right. Ah, yes, yes, yes. All right. So let's begin our lesson. Okay. So today's lesson, this is your first trial lesson, which is world records of geography. That's going to be our lesson. Let's begin. Okay. Do you know which river in China is the longest? Hmm.
yes.
Yeah, longest. Long. Hmm. Do you know which river is the longest?
What
In
is language?
long is this? Long. Short.
Oh, oh,
Long. uh, in China. Let me translate that. There you go. Which is the longest? What's
uh,
the name? Hmm.
Huanghe and Changjiang.
Ah, okay. Yangtze, you said, right? Yangtze, Yangtze. Okay. Have you been there? Have you ever been there before?
Been there before.
Yeah, in Yangtze River.
Oh,
Have you ever been there? Male, not yet.
uh,
Not yet. I think so, yeah. I think not yet. Yeah. Would you like to see the Yangtze Yangtze? I don't know how to say it. Yangtze River. Would you like to see it? Yeah,
yes.
someday. All right. Very good. Now we're gonna learn some words. Okay, ready? Three, two, one.
Mount Everest,
能再问
Okay.
一遍
Yes. Mount Everest 啊，你说
哦
啊，这个
，Mount Everest,
Oh yeah.
Everest,
Yeah. One more time. Everest. Everest.
Everest,
Very good. All right. So one more time. Mount Everest.
Everest.
Very good. Now, what is Mount Everest? Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. All right. Highest. Do you know the word highest? Highest.
What
Highest.
is yes?
Ah, okay. Very good. Thank you for asking that question. Let me just translate it for you. There you go. So,
Oh,
Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Okay.
oh,
All right. Very good. So, what is this mountain again? 这是什么? It's Mount. What's this? 这是什么?
我不知道呀，
What? 不知道?
是一座山
Mount
吗？
Everest. Okay. Do you see the book, honey? Do you see the book? There you go. Yes. No. 这个
你看到这本书了吗？No，
No. Okay, that's why. You don't see this. 没有. Maybe your Wi-Fi is a little bit slow. Yeah. I think it has something to do with your Wi-Fi. Yeah, or your connection, right? That's why you couldn't see it. There you go. Um,
the
can you?
Wi-Fi 的
Your Wi-Fi is good. But
Yes，
why can't you see it? Do you see this? What's this? 这个.
珠穆朗玛峰
Yeah, but do you see something?
Do you see something?
Yeah, do you see the mountains? Or do you see the picture?
Picture.
Uh-huh.
Yes,
Yes, very good. I thought you said yeah. No, you don't see it. Now you see it. So now you see it. Is that right? Very clear? Is that right?
oh, yes,
So,
it is.
oh yes, all right, very good. Now let's try to remember. 这是什么? What's this again? Mount.
Mount Everest.
Very good. All right. Next one.
The Nile.
Nile.
The Nile.
Nile. Very good. So the Nile. The Nile River is the longest river in the world. Yeah.
Yes.
Very good. So you know, great, very good. So the longest river in China is Yangtze, right? But
Mm,
in the world is the Nile River. That's the longest. Okay. Next one is there you go. Lake Baikal.
Lake Baikal.
Lake
Mm,
Baikal.
very good. Baikal. Baikal.
Baikal.
Very good. Did. Now, Lake Baikal is the deepest lake in the world. Yes,
This
sir. Hmm. Deepest is this. Um, this word, buddy. So the deepest lake in the world. Okay.
yes.
All right. Very good, buddy. Great job. Now, what is this river again? The deepest lake in the world? It's
It it's Lake
Lake
Baikal.
Baikal. Very good. Great. And boop. Oh my God.
The
What's
Sahara.
that?
The Sahara.
Very good. One more time, honey. Sahara. Sahara.
Sahara.
Very good. You know, the Sahara Desert is the largest and hot.
Oh, hot.
Yeah, desert in the word. Yeah, largest. Would you like to go here to
No,
Sahara? 为什么?
because there are there none.
Because it's
Because
Because
it is
hot.
too hot.
Very good. Yeah. Because it's too hot. Very good. I like it. Okay. Very good, buddy. I like your sentence. Good job. Now let's go to the next one.